Bonjour, I'm Shelly and this is a mini tutorial of Google Calendar's mobile app. So to get started, we're going to open the menu bar on the left, scroll down to Settings, scroll down to Manage Accounts, and if we use the plus sign, we can add another Google account to associate with the calendar. We can also remove them by clicking Edit at the top right and Remove. Click Done, and we can also toggle certain accounts on and off whether or not we want to see the data on the calendar. And under our main settings, you can see that we can color code our events, reminders, and shared calendars for each account we might be managing. So for example, I'm going to go into my events for my Red Lake Nation College account, and here are all the colors available for me to select. I highly recommend color coordinating your different types of appointments to keep your calendar organized. Join us next time for how to add events, reminders, and goals to your calendar.